Hi students, I am Shivamurthy. I will be teaching you chemistry, especially metals and non-metals. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about reactions of metals, reactions of non-metals, displacement reaction, uses of metals, and non-metal uses. The first one is reaction of metal with water. See students, sodium is very reactive metals vigorously with water. It production of metal hydroxide and hydrogen. See, sodium being very reactive, vigorously reaction with water, it produces the sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. Therefore, it is stored in the kerosene. See the equation. 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2. You know very well the familiar name. Na means sodium, H2 water molecules, both reactive with the sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Okay. The next one is reaction of metal with acid. You know very well three important mineral acid in our chemistry laboratory: hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. Any acid that react with metal, it produce metal along with hydrogen gas. See, you take one example for magnesium react with dilute hydrochloric acid to form magnesium chloride and hydrogen. So, the main formation of metal and acid. Metal chloride along with hydrogen gas are formed. Correct students? The next one, reaction of metal with bases. So base means you know very well, sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. These hydroxides are commonly is known as bases. We will take one example in this metal reaction with bases. So we will take zinc. The formula of zinc is Zn. With the sodium hydroxide to give sodium zincate. See the equation students. Zn zinc plus NaOH sodium hydroxide. It gives Na2Zn O2, that is called sodium zincate, along with the hydrogen gas are evolved. Okay students. The next one is reaction of non-metals with oxygen. This is the important reaction, non-metal with oxygen. Let us take a consider or example for the metal, non-metal sulfur. So here sulfur react with the oxygen producing a sulfur dioxide, which on further reaction with water it gives sulfurous acid. That is the main reaction. See the two simple equations are given. Sulfur S plus oxygen O2, it gives sulfur dioxide, that is called SO2. Then SO2 further treated with addition of water. The process, you know, addition of water is called hydrolysis. It is converted to sulfurous acid. The formula is H2SO3. Okay. The next reaction is reaction of non-metal with water. Simply, non-metal do not react with water, but it is easily react with air. So, this doesn't matter. So, the main important difference between non-metal and metals. Metals are easily react with water, but non-metal not react with water. But it can easily react with air. Okay, students? The next one is reaction of non-metal with bases. See, I am giving one example for the non-metal reaction with the bases. The reaction of calcium hydroxide, the formula is calcium hydroxide is CaOH twice. and chlorines gives bleaching powder. That is called, the chemical name is CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride. So calcium hydroxide CaOH twice plus Cl2 gives CaOCl Cl plus H2O. That is called non-metal reaction with the bases. The next one is displacement reaction in metals. See, the displacement reaction is more reactive. Metal displaces less reactive. Metal less reactive. Metal cannot displace a more reactive metals. So very important reaction, displacement reaction in the metal. See the students, the equation explain clearly the concept of displacement reaction. CuSO4, that is called copper sulfate. It is treated with the zinc, Zn. It gives ZnSO4, zinc sulfate along with the copper. See the equation, the zinc displaces the copper from the copper sulfate, the formation of zinc sulfate along with the copper. Correct? Another one example I am giving you, copper sulfate react with iron sulfate along with the copper. So here first equation, zinc displaces the copper. In second equation, Fe displaces the copper. That is called a displacement reaction. The next one is, what are the uses of metal? You know very well, lot of metals are used to make a trains, apparatus and satellites, and in making aeroplane industry. And second important uses of metal, it is the electricity department. It is easily conduct the electricity, and it is a good conductor of electricity and along with the heat also. And next one is some of the uses of non-metals. Non-metals are basically used to antiseptic and applied on the wounds. It is also used in disinfectant reagents, and it is used in crackers at the Diwali festival times. So students, now we are discuss all the reaction of metals, non-metals, displacement reactions, uses of metal and non-metals. Thank you, students.